Welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll explore the best option trading strategies to boost your portfolio. 1. Covered calls. Generate income from existing stock holdings. Covered calls allow you to earn income and reduce risk on your stock investments by selling call options on your own stocks. 2. Protective puts. Hedge against potential losses. Protective puts limit downside risk and protect your portfolio by buying put options on your own stocks. 3. Iron condors. Profit from range-bound markets. Iron condors allow you to profit from stable markets and have limited risk by selling calls and puts on a stock. 4. Debit spreads. Speculate on price movements. Debit spreads involve limited risk and the potential for high returns by buying calls or puts. These option trading strategies can help you achieve your investment goals. Remember to subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.